cute little skull. There are 3 holes in it. Warning! Objects in spyglass may be farther away than they appear. I don't want to get any closer to that thing. It might be booby-trapped. This door appears to be locked.
Ah, the banana thief returns to the scene of the crime.
Maybe we should just eat him right now.
Do you have any idea how much cholesterol is in one of these things? Now then, how did you break out of our hut, and why did you come back?
Don't eat me! I'm a mighty pirate!
That means his skin will be leathery and his meat tough and stringy. We'll give you one more chance to trade something of yours for your freedom. Well? We've already got one of those. We've already got one of those. Yuck. No thanks. Obviously, you have nothing for us. That should do it.
There are no bananas to pick there. This door appears to be locked. I think that's how I'll end up if I don't get out of here soon. I can see underneath the hut. There are no bananas to pick there. I might fit through that hole, but I don't think this banana picker will. Boy, it sure is hot here. Why, that's the second biggest monkey head I've ever seen. What a cheap piece of mass-produced tourist crap. On the bottom it says, made by Lemonhead. I doubt anyone will miss this piece of junk. It looks like a sacred idol of some kind. It looks like a sacred idol of some kind. It looks like a sacred idol of some kind. This is much too heavy to pick up, let alone carry around this godforsaken island for God knows what reason. This is much too heavy to pick up, let alone carry around this godforsaken island for God knows what reason. Hi! Is there anything good to eat on this island? Hi! Is there anything good to eat on this island? What a cheap piece of mass-produced tourist crap. On the bottom it says, made by Lemonhead. It looks like a sacred idol of some kind. Definitely the second biggest monkey head I've ever seen. The second largest ear I've ever seen. And also the dirtiest. Ugh. I don't see anything special about it. This door appears to be locked. I don't want to get any closer to that thing. It might be booby-trapped.
Well, well, well. You're quite the escape artist, aren't you?
I told you we should eat him.
Don't eat me. I'll give you anything.
Anything? We'll give you one more chance to trade something of yours for your freedom. Well? I don't think the great monkey would like that. Obviously, you have nothing for us. That should do it.
I can't get through it. Yep, still empty. Yep, still empty. This door appears to be locked.
How you get out is almost as much of a mystery as why you keep coming back.
The real mystery is why he's not simmering with carrots right now.
Oh, go ahead and eat me. See if I care.
Hey, whatever you say. That should do it.
This door appears to be locked.
I don't know if this is getting boring for you, but it sure is for me.
Don't eat me. I'll give you anything.
Okay. We'll give you one more chance to trade something of yours for your freedom. Well? Hey, wow, this is impressive. Lemonhead, take a look at this.
Ooh, that's nice. And it says, made by Lemonhead, just like one of mine. We should take this to the Great Monkey.
Yes, I agree. We are very grateful to you for this fine gift. If there's anything you need on Monkey Island, just come see us.
All I want is my banana picker back. But will they give it to me? They want the monkey head key back first. Ha! That'll be the day. Don't you think they're being unreasonable? It's not as though I'm asking for a lot.
I don't think I need any more bananas.
Have you come back to let us repay you for your fine gift?
Well, actually, there is something.
Tell us, what is it?
I'm looking for somebody.
Here? On Monkey Island?
We're the only people living on Monkey Island.
Well, the only civilized people.
I'm looking for 30 dead guys and 1 woman.
I don't think I want to hear any more about it.
Wait, maybe he's talking about those dead pirates.
Oh, yeah. Those guys.
Then you've seen the ghost pirate LeChuck and his cadaverous crew?
Those jerks have been bugging us for months.
Zooming around here in that creepy ghost ship of theirs, wailing and moaning until all hours of the morning.
Scaring away all the cruise ship business?
Normally, when we have problems with the undead, we just cook up our standard potion of exorcism and be done with it.
What's in your standard potion of exorcism?
Well, the main ingredient of the potion is a very rare root. In fact, there's only one in existence.
We only use a little bit at a time, you see.
But LeChuck stole the whole thing.
LeChuck came in here and stole your root? What a cad.
And I suppose stealing bananas is any better.
Where is he hiding it?
He's in a place beneath this island. Somewhere in a huge system of catacombs. A hellish place filled with the wailing of tortured souls trapped forever in the rock, where the walls bleed and the air is thick with the rancid smell of pure evil.
Tourists used to line up for hours to see it.
What happened? Health department shut you down?
No, we lost the key.
It was stolen.
Well, we loaned it to a hermit who lives on the island.
And until that crusty old pantless weirdo brings it back, we're keeping his banana picker.
I'm off to find LeChuck and get the root.
Sorry, but it's just not that easy. Trying to find LeChuck could be very dangerous.
You'd never find your way through the catacombs without them.
Hey, Ixnay on the Edhay of the Navigator nay.
The what?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Ude uye avhe a apme ave ave atacombs ke?
Ari say, oh nay.
We could at least tell him what the head does.
Well, it's a navigating tool.
It's a head. It was once attached to a navigator.
We've kept it alive magically, so we could take advantage of its innate sense of direction. Getting through the catacombs without it is impossible.
But it's our only one, so you can't have it.
I guess we have nothing to offer you.
After he gave us that nice idol, too.
Feel free to come to the Great Monkey and visit your idol anytime. So, anyway, Lemonhead, what was that you were saying about tropical oils?
Well,
Yep, still empty. Yep, still empty. Boy, it sure is hot here. Mr. Toothrot, please remove this dangerous object. Lemonhead knocked a rock onto it from the cliff above and nearly sank a passing ship. The Cannibals. Boy, it sure is hot here. I don't think I need any more bananas.
Hi! I'm not bothered a bit by the fact that you waltzed right into my home without bothering to knock.
Well, I would have knocked, but I couldn't find a door.
Well, that's okay. Next time, be more careful.
I have your banana picker.
Hey, thanks. I thought I'd never see this again. Here, you can take this key to the monkey head back to the natives.
Okay. And don't worry, I won't use it or anything. Excuse me, I've got some pressing business to attend to.
Yes, me too.
giant cotton swab. I had a feeling that in hell, there would be mushrooms. I can't reach it. Gross. Yuck. I'd rather not touch it. Creepy. Hellish. Sickening. I can't reach it. I can't reach it.